Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070424 on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. First is you have to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Now here you'll find this option Other Troubleshooters. Click on that. And here you'll find the Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So you need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first or try to run first the Windows Update Troubleshooter, because what will this do is that this will help you detect and spot the specific issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, the best thing is that this will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you need to try or run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first, and after that, you just need to restart your Windows. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Services. Best Match Services, click on that. Now we need to make some changes for the services right here, so just simply follow me. So first is we need to go to the B section, and here we can find the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now simply make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, you need to make sure it is automatic. Service status, you need to make sure this is running, so you have to click on the Start button, click on Apply and click on OK. And then scroll down to the D section, D as in dog. Here you will find this service, DCOM Server Process Launcher. So simply make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, you need to make sure this is automatic, and the service status, you need to click on Start to make sure this is running. Click on Apply and click on OK. And then scroll down to the R section. And here you'll find these two services, Remote Procedure Call RPC and the Remote Procedure Call RPC Locator. Simply make a right click, then you have to select Properties. Startup type, again, you need to make sure you have to choose Automatic. Service status, you have to click on Start to make sure this is running. Click on Apply and click on OK. And also do that for the Remote Procedure Call Locator. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic, and the service status, you need to click on Start to make sure this is running. Click on Apply and click on OK. And then scroll down to the W section. And here you can find the Windows Update service. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure that is automatic, and then you have to click on the Start button to make sure this is running. Click on Apply and click on OK. Close out of here. Make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And afterwards, just check for updates or continue to check for updates or update your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.